Good morning, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Paddock. It's your morning meeting. Hope you're all doing well and hope that you all had a great night's sleep. We're going to switch this over to our calendar. And of course, it's the month of April. We're almost done April, only a few more days. And then we're going to switch to a new month. Do you remember what month we're going to go to? May. What a smarty you guys are. Yep, you're absolutely right. It's going to be the month of May soon. But today is the 28th, so it's April 28th, and it is Tuesday. So let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Great job, my friends. So again, today is Tuesday, yesterday was Monday, and tomorrow will be Wednesday. So can you sing with me? 1, 2, 3. Today is Tuesday, today is Tuesday, all day long. All day long. Yesterday was Monday, tomorrow will be Wednesday. Oh, what fun. Oh, what fun. We're going to move on to our days of the week. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days of the week. Great job. Let's go to our months of the year. 1, 2, 3. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. There are 12 months in a year. Excellent. And moving on to our numbers chart here. Let's look at our tens column here. Ready? And skip count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Great job. Let's skip count by fives. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Great job, boys and girls. Do you think you can count backwards from 10? Let's do the blast off. Are you ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Excellent job. Great job, boys and girls. Our season, of course, is spring. And you know what? Today, I was looking at the weather channel, and it says that it's going to be quite a rainy day today. We're supposed to get some showers this morning and even maybe a thunderstorm later this afternoon. Ooh, I have to say, I do love thunderstorms, but make sure that you're safe and you stay indoors, right? We've talked about thunderstorms before, and it's not the thunder that's the problem, it's the lightning, isn't it? So we need to be careful and make sure that you stay indoors. But if there's a chance that you can get outside before the rain, then you know what, maybe take that chance and get outside and enjoy a little bit of fresh air. It's quite nice out. It's supposed to go to, I think, 18, which is nice and high for us. And so hopefully you get out there and enjoy a little bit of fresh air. But do be safe. If it is thunder and lightning, come inside, okay? We're gonna flip it over to our window to see what it's like in my area. All right, let's see. And boys and girls, you can see that it is, it's quite cloudy, of course, which tells us that it is going to be raining probably pretty soon. All right, so there you have it. A little bit of rain today, which is okay because we need it to clear up all the stuff. Boys and girls, a lot of you have sent in your work, photos of the work that you've done for this week's assignments. Remember, there's 2 assignments. One is the Author of the Month worksheet, where you have to listen to one of the Dr. Seuss books and pick whichever book you want, and then write what is your favorite part of that book, and then take a picture of it and send it to me. And the other one is your science. It's the paper goods experiment, where you have to sort of test to see how strong some papers are and how well they can absorb liquid like water, okay? So for example, Vivon, he finished his Author of the Month sheet, did a great job. You picked the Lorax, and wow, that picture that you drew of the Lorax was fabulous. Really, really well done, Vivon. I loved it. Jiyu, she did both of her assignments and sent them in. She did her author of the month and she did her experiment too, and she actually did her experiment. So good job, Jiyu, you did a great job there. Michaela also, she had done both her author of the month and her science experiment as well. And Michaela sent me a little video of her science experiment. I have to say that, Michaela, I think you did a way better job on your experiment than I did. Yours was short and sweet, and it was right to the point. You did a great job, Michaela. Well done. You're going to be quite the little scientist when you grow up, I think. Mia finished her author of the month. She actually finished it last week, but that's okay. And Mia's working on her other stuff this week. So good job, Mia. You're ahead of the game. Mo finished both of her assignments, her author of the month assignment and her science experiment one as well. And she also did that too. So good job, Mo. Well done on that. And Prince did his author of the month, and he did a great job on that one too. So good job, Prince. And Prince, I never asked you, was the Tooth Fairy good to you? I know you lost your tooth, but I hope that the Tooth Fairy was actually good to you. So for this week as well, remember, boys and girls, that you are also working on your letter X workbooks. So alphabet 1 and 2 for the letter X, and for the numbers 1 and 2, you're working on the number 24, okay? So I'm going to show you what those booklets look like. So that's kind of what you should be doing, and we're going to flip it over to my books right now. So here are my books. They're just on the floor. I'm sorry about that, but hopefully you're able to see them okay. So this is our numbers booklet 1. So the numbers booklet 1. And again, our number is 24. Make sure that you are leaving a little bit of a space in between the numbers. Remember, they can't be too close and they can't be too far, right? So again, fit as many 24s as you can on there. The second row here, I was able to fit 4 in there. The first one here, I could only do 2. And that's okay. Don't forget to do this one here, the 24. Then trace 24, color it. You could pick whichever color you want. I picked purple for today, but you could pick whatever color you want. So color the 24, make sure you do a good job. Remember, 3-star coloring, and then you're gonna read it and trace it. And this word says 24, so you're gonna trace that word and then do 24 4 times, and then do it yourself 4 times here, okay? And then here we have our 10 frames, and of course this is 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And again, make sure your dots are nice, okay, and color them in nicely. Again, I picked purple, but you could pick whichever color you want. We're going to move on to our numbers booklet number 2. Here's the number 2 booklet. And again, so at the top here, you're going to fill in the missing numbers. So we have 19 here, so we know the number before it is 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Here, again, are 10 frames, so you're going to fill out 10, 20, I made a mistake, didn't I? I need to put a circle there too, don't I? Oh my goodness, Mrs. Paddock. Okay, hold on. Let me do that right now. Gosh, I did not do a good job there. So let me fill that out there. See, I make mistakes too, don't I? There we go. Try and do as best I could there. All right, now it's better. So 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Excellent. Now here we have our tally marks, and remember, those are those lines, and then when you get to 5, the 5 is across, right? So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So that's what your tally marks should look like. Here you could draw whatever you want. I picked circles today, but you could draw whatever you want. You want stars, happy faces, whatever. But remember to try and make them nice and neat so that it's easy to count, okay? So here I have 10, 20, and then 4. So that's 24 there, so 24 circles. Here you're gonna add in the 24, 24, 24, 24. Remember, the sky, the train tracks, and the grass, stay within those lines. And then here you're going to write to 24. So 1, all the way to 24. Don't keep going, okay? So just end at 24. Now this page here says, I can draw 24 raindrops falling from the cloud. Wow, what a good one to do today, because it is supposed to rain. So here's our cloud, and then a raindrop is kind of like this kind of shape. It's kind of like a drop. You could see it here. And I have 24 here. So I did 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So it's easy to count, okay? So there you go. You don't have to color it, but if you want to, go ahead, okay? Let's move on to our alphabet book number 1. So here's alphabet book number 1. And again, our letter this week is X, and X says X, X, right? And here we have, you can see it's a picture of an X-ray. Remember, X goes down, right? Sky to the grass. Pick up your pencil, and then sky to the grass, and they cross at the train tracks. The little x, so lowercase x, is from the train tracks down. So train tracks to grass, lift your pencil. Train tracks to grass, lift your pencil, and just make sure that they cross in the middle. Trace them, and then do them 4 times yourself. Trace the lowercase x, do it 4 times. This side here, don't forget to trace them. I know some of you are forgetting to trace them here, and then do them 4 times each by yourself, okay? For the picture here, I picked purple, but you can pick whichever color you want. So here, this was mouse. So you're gonna remember, you're only coloring pictures that start with an X. So here's mouse, nope. So I put an X through it, so that is, it starts with an M, right? This one is a tiger, tiger. Nope, I put an X through that. Now this is a xylophone. Now sounds like a Z, doesn't. This is a bit of a trick, but it really is an X. It does start with an X. I know it's a trick, but what can I say? The English language is a tricky language. But you're gonna color this one. It's a xylophone. And then this, the bear is actually holding up an X-ray. You can't see anything in there, but it is an X-ray. And of course that starts with an X, right? So you're gonna color the xylophone and the bear with the X-ray here, okay? So make sure you do that. Pick whichever color you want, my friends. All right, we're gonna move on to alphabet book number 2. All right, so you're gonna look at this page first, and at the top it says fox in a box. Fox in a box. And you can see the X is not the beginning, but it's at the end here. Fox in a box. And those 2 words rhyme, don't they? All right, so I picked, these are the colors that I picked for my shapes, but you can pick whichever ones. And we have 3 triangles, right? 1 triangle, 2 triangles, 3 triangles. And then we have a square here, right? And so I just picked those colors, but again, you can pick whichever ones you want. Here we have X's. Again, trace the X's, uppercase, and then do them 4 times. Trace the X's and do them 4 times. Now, if you're going to turn the page over, you're going to do the ones, you're going to listen to the ending sound, and you're going to color the ones that end with the sound X, okay? So here, we have a box. I picked blue. Again, you pick whichever color you want. Box. Can you hear the X? Yep, thumbs up, right? Color the box. This is a quilt. No, you hear a T sound at the end. This is an ox. Ox. Yep, color the ox. Second row, first picture, we have a fox. Fox. Yep, thumbs up, right? Color that fox. Then we have a cup. Cup. No, it's a P sound. Now this is a trick. It's only one of them, okay? So it's one, it's a sock. Sock. It's a K, right? So thumbs down, put an X to that. Now this is, of course, the letter X. X. Right? Yeah, so try and color it. I just kind of went over it. This one, third row, first picture, is an axe. Axe. Thumbs up. Yeah, color that one. This is the number 6. 6. Yeah, color the 6. Then we have witch. Witch. CH at the end, right? Witch. So thumbs down. And of course we have a little pig. Pig. There's a G, right? So thumbs down on that one. Don't forget to trace them here. I just did it 4 times, and then trace, and then do it 4 times here as well. Okay? So hopefully that helps you, boys and girls, so that you can work through your workbooks as well sometime this week. Remember alphabet 1 and 2, and numbers 1 and 2, and it's the letter X and the number 24. Okay? Do the best you can, and don't forget to do your assignments as well. The author of the month one, so any Dr. Seuss book that you want to do it on, that would be great, and your science experiment. Watch my video of the science experiment. If you don't have enough paper around you, you could just watch that video and fill it out using my video, okay? Hope you have a wonderful day. Stay dry today, my friends, and we will, I'll upload some stories right away, okay? Love you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.